Hi everyone, today I'm making an easy to make Greek salad with a Mediterranean twist, simple, healthy and full of flavor, perfect to accompany a barbecue, for a quick lunch or maybe for a light summer dinner. Let's go! So I take a green bell pepper, I remove the stem, now I remove the white parts and the remaining seeds, of course. Yeah, I want to make a barbecue tonight. I want to cook a nice rib stick, then this Greek salad is going to be perfect with it. I want to slice this nice green bell pepper. Of course, you can take any bell pepper. The color doesn't matter actually, that's the same taste. And the bell pepper is perfect because it's going to bring crispy into this nice Greek salad. Now I'm taking a cucumber, half of it. Three beautiful tomatoes, and you can take cherry tomatoes as well. Those tomatoes are called old tomatoes or something like this. I took them at the local market. So yeah, I removed the stem. I'm going to slice those tomatoes in small cubes. And yeah, you definitely need a well-sharpened knife. Otherwise, just take cherry tomatoes. And take a big mixing bowl because we are making our Greek salad into it. I'm adding the green bell pepper, but not all of it. You will see we will adjust everything after adding the cucumber, which I'm doing now. As we are mixing, we will see if we need more green bell pepper or more cucumber. We want to have a good proportion of everything. Yeah, you see there is more red than green, then we will add more green. And once you are happy with it, then you can move to the next step, which is seasoning with the olive oil, salt, black pepper, and oregano. So maybe you're wondering why I'm seasoning my Greek salad now. That's simply because the feta cheese is fragile. Then it's better to season your Greek salad before adding the feta cheese. Otherwise you might break it. So that's the feta cheese. And if you want more Mediterranean recipes, then subscribe to the channel. Yeah, it's full of color, I love it. Definitely smells summer. Greek black olives. If you don't have some, then just take black olives. I'm taking a red onion. I'm slicing it, but I just need a few rings from it. And that's the original Greek salad. You could stop it actually, but I'm going to add a little fresh twist, which is a lemon zest. followed by fresh mint. And I finish with the balsamic vinegar. If you don't have some, then just take lemon juice, it works as well. And now you're ready for summer with this fresh Greek salad. Thanks so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this recipe with you. If you want more Mediterranean recipes like this one, don't forget to subscribe for more. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps the channel. Share it with your friends and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!